Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Audi A3 tail light. First, gather your tools. You'll typically need a flathead screwdriver, a Torx bit set, and a plastic trim removal tool. For safety, make sure your car's ignition is completely off and the parking brake is engaged. Then, open the trunk to gain clear access to the tail light assembly from the interior of the vehicle. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe process. Next, you'll need to access the fasteners holding the tail light. Look for an access panel or a section of trim inside the trunk, directly behind the tail light. Use your plastic trim removal tool to carefully pry off this panel, revealing the retaining nuts or screws. Depending on your Audi A3 model, these could be one or more nuts, often 10mm or 13mm, or a specialized screw that can be turned with a flathead screwdriver. Once the fasteners are exposed, use the appropriate tool, such as a socket wrench or a flathead screwdriver, to completely unscrew them. Be careful not to drop any nuts into the car's bodywork. After the fasteners are removed, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight out from the vehicle. It might be held by a couple of alignment pins or clips, so a slight wiggle may be needed. Finally, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its release tab and pulling it away from the light housing. Before installing a new tail light, inspect the old gasket for any signs of wear or damage and replace it if necessary to ensure a watertight seal. Clean the mounting area on the vehicle to remove any dirt or debris. When reinstalling, reverse the steps. Connect the electrical plug, align the tail light, push it into place, and secure the retaining nuts or screws. Tighten them firmly but avoid over-tightening. Once everything is secure, test the lights to ensure they function correctly. For more helpful tips and to make meal prep easy, check the description below for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.